everyone. I do not have a book to talk to you about right now, but I do have a question. Did you know that New Hampshire has a Philharmonic orchestra? New Hampshire does have a Philharmonic orchestra. They play from the months of October through May at the Salem High School. They have a beautiful auditorium there. The Philharmonic plays probably 5 or 6 different programs per year. We are a library partner of theirs. So that means that if you want tickets, you would go to www.nhphil.com. And when you order your tickets for a specific program, use the code Goffstown with a capital G, and you will get 10% off on your ticket prices. So it's beautiful music. I've been there a number of times. I'm bringing my number 1 grandson there in a few months because he is a piano player, and I think he's going to love it. So take advantage of this great orchestra that we have. Buy a ticket, go see it, go see the Christmas show if you can get tickets, and have a great time.
Hi, this is Caroline from Adult Services, and I'm here to talk to you about our tax class on November 9th. It's happening at 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor, and we'll have an attorney from 603 Legal Aid talking about the tax system, taxpayer rights and responsibilities, and where you can go for help. You're able to ask questions as well. And speaking of taxes, we are also part of the tax outlet program again this year. So 1040 and 1040 senior forms, as well as instructions, will be coming at the end of January. And then on November 14th at 6 p.m., we have Mike Morin, who is author and radio personality, coming to talk about his book on the Red Arrow Diner, which is entitled If Walls Could Talk, Celebrating 100 Years of the Red Arrow, America's Most Loved Diner. So he'll talk about the book, he'll talk about the diner and all the famous people who've showed up there, about the ritual if you're a first-timer, and then he will have a book signing and also a Q&A. We hope to see you there.
Hi everyone, Liz here from Adult Services. So it's getting to be November, and it is getting to be that time where all we think about is food. So as you might imagine, the Goffstown Public Library has quite a lot of cookbooks to help you on your way while you prepare for the upcoming holidays. Whether you like spectacular spreads, whether you'd rather go vegan with your holiday cookbook, or whether you'd rather keep it simple and do like I do and focus on only one ingredient. So how's that for an all-cheese Thanksgiving? Also, we have a program coming up that might be of interest to you cooks out there. It is our Cookbook Club. It's coming up on November 21st, so that's a Tuesday at 6:30 here at the library, where we will be cooking recipes and sharing recipes from Thanksgiving 101. So the idea is that you can check out this cookbook, you can bring it home, choose any recipe you like, and then bring it back for everyone to share on the 21st. We'll talk about what went well, what went wrong, whether we like this cookbook or not. So if you are looking for a place to try out your more unusual Thanksgiving recipes on an unsuspecting audience, Cookbook Club on November 21st is for you.